Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I have the award-winning Walmart Beauty Box, and this was created by InStyle. So this one is from Walmart. They emailed me and see that I wanted to order this one. It was the same price as free, but you paid for the shipping $5. And I did do a previous video wanting to know if you guys wanted to win one of these beauty boxes from Walmart. Yes, we're gonna unbox this today and I'm so excited about it. So let's get right on into it. I love the box. You see how cute that is with the gold writing? Really cute. This was created by InStyle. This, you know, they have magazine and everything. They talk about beauty as well. I saw this and I was like, yes, we got to get into it. So this, let's go ahead and open it and I'll turn it so that way you can see what I see when I see it. Oh, okay. This is what it looks like. And it has the card here. All right, we'll get into that in a second. I want you to see. Oh, and this is the gold paper, which is really cute. And we'll go through each one, okay? So, yeah, so this is how it comes, and we'll go through each product. So they're giving you 2 free issues if you get their magazine. So that's the information there. You can probably look them up online. And then they go over some of their favorite products or what's entered into this box right there, and I'll be going through them. Let's get right into this. First, we're gonna take what's in this. Okay, so this is Olive Olay Micro Scrubbing Cleaning Infusion. This is a body wash, and this is Crush. Oh, this is Hydrating Glow body wash, and this is Crushed Ginger, and this is from Olive Olay. Let's go ahead and smell it. Oh, it smells really good too. It's like ginger. See what it looks like. There you go. So it's that color and it smells really good. Okay. Next up, let's go with this. Secret. This is Secret Strength Soft Solid Light and Fresh. This is deodorant. I use Secret, so I know what the container looks like. So here it is. So Clinically Strength Smooth, Solid, Light, and Fresh. And then this is the deodorant there. Don't sweat it. Even the pros get nervous before a star-studded event. America's first clinical strength deodorant has you covered. And for the Olive Olay cleaning, with this one, you're going to glow from your head to your toe. Yes, so it's supposed to clean and keep you glowing. All right, now. All right, next is this Crest 3D Whitening Therapy. Oh, okay, so this is toothpaste. Whitening Therapy toothpaste. Yes. Always like whitening. I don't use Crest, but I use Colgate Whiten. My mom always got Colgate, so I continue to use it. It whitens and keeps us fresh. So I don't mind trying the 3D whitening because I like to keep my teeth white. So yes, I will try this one. Help your teeth shine as bright as a star with this whitening toothpaste that works overtime, brighten and repair weakened enamel. It's important to kind of do the clean. I do a weekly whitening because you eating and you're drinking all day. You want to make sure that you are maintaining your enamel. Yay for the whitening toothpaste. Next is this Pantene. It's foam conditioning sheer volume conditioner. Get your hair red carpet ready with a light air moisture foam conditioning with a 0 weight. So this won't weigh your hair down. It's pretty good for a nice red carpet look. So you can go out and still look beautiful. Use this and it keeps your hair with sheer and volume and it doesn't weigh it down. That's pretty good. All right, next, this is the Found. This is the coconut sheet mask, and yes, I love sheet mask. Gives your skin all of that, and this is, it says it's brightness. So this is brightness for a more even tone for healthy looking skin, and this is radiant. 94% natural, and this is a sheet mask. Yes. Okay, they are really killing it with this box because for just the shipping and everything else is free. This is really a good deal. Happy so far. Okay, next up is this Olive Olay Regime Whip. This is for light as air finish. Powerful wrinkle results without heavenly action moisturizing. So this is a whip facial moisturizer. Okay, yes, I love moisturizer. Always be ready for your close-up with the Natural Light Moisturizer, which demolishes wrinkles and fine lines for a radiant boost. So if you're starting getting those fine lines and wrinkles and you want to keep that skin tight, there you go. So this Oil of Olay cream will be on the money. I am happy that I have really did a good job with this box. Give you these good products that you use more for your skin. I mean, less I love makeup, but anytime that you can do deodorant, we all need deodorant, we all need face masks, skincare and hair products. I'm all for all of that. I'm excited about this. I mean, this box is pretty good, and I will give it a 9. They killed it, especially with my secret deodorant. Like, yeah. And then the toothpaste with the enamel, that's important. And then this one with the cream that defines your, anything that defines and take away lines and you keep you this beautiful, girl, let's do this. So yes, I'm pretty happy with it. And then to smell this ginger, yeah. So I'll give this box a 9. And can't go wrong with sheet mask, people. If you like this video, give this a big thumbs up. If you would like to win one of these boxes in the upcoming giveaway or future giveaway, let me know below. I don't know if I can still get this one, but I know I can get the Walmart Beauty Box, which they also have amazing prices. I will link it here so that way you guys can see that as well to kind of decide if that's what you prefer to win. Yeah, I want to do something for you guys because I love that you guys support me. You really don't have to, but you do, and you are amazing. And I just want to say thank you. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I do a weekly product of the week on my Instagram, but I share it through all of my social media, so you can follow me on any one of them and you'll get to see it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.